Well, happy Tuesday. Got a few requests to do a quick walk around on the plane again on some of the things I did not cover on this plane. A lot of people are asking what it looked like from underneath. Okay, so let's do some underneath. Got it tilted back. And you can see my my transponder antenna, and there's a hatch hanging down. I'll show you a close-up of that here in a minute. But that's what it looks like from underneath. That satisfy those folks. And come over here to the wing. The mods I made on the wing for the strobes and the nav lights. That's what those look like. On the bottom of the wing again. Struts. Also, if you're flying an early Excalibur like I am, with the aluminum Ronnie brackets, get a hold of Tom Carr. He's got some updated ones made out of stainless. I'll do a video on that when I change these out. Don't want to lose your wings in flight. Excalibur has not had any issues yet. And let's make sure we don't have any. Just pull this thing down so we can get underneath the plane. There we go. Show you my access hatch. Underneath here, you got the access panel. This way you can access everything: the fuel tank, fuel lines, adjust your ailerons, push tubes, do a good inspection on it. Full access to it. Works out really nice. Little piano hinge, nothing fancy. That's the job. But you can get in there. Shot of those Ronnie brackets. Plane is very close balanced. Push this back down. Nose wheel. Another thing we've done here, I didn't cover, was the beacon, just a flash. Works good. Makes it legal for night flight. And once again, there's the engine. And that's a quick look at the underneath portion of my plane. And oh, by the way, yeah, and a custom-made VIN identification tag. A friend of mine does laser work, did that for me. Came out very nice. I have connections if anybody's interested. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.